Hello, my name is Heather Gordonn. I am from Alaska and I am a Nup'yak. My research stems from my family background and a desire to work with the Inuit people on projects of importance to their communities. My research includes interviews with American Arctic researchers and with Inuit from a small community in Greenland. I'm exploring how to build better working relationships between scientists and community members. This includes looking at community-based research practices, ethics, entry to the community, trust, respect, and many other components. Regardless of the type of scientist you are, if you work in or around a community through only logistics or extensive interviews, you will be building relationships with people. My hope is that recommendations from my project can help those relationships be beneficial to the research, community, and all involved.